Alright, y'all. That's the finished product. Done. That's where it went. And that's the collar that holds this thing in position to keep the thing from sliding up when I pull it up and getting all out of whack. So that's your stop collar right there. We just got through machining in the lathe. We got her on there. We got a good tight fit. It's a beautiful thing. I want to thank y'all for watching. It's another little job in the shop getting this boat ready. Otaka from the shop in the woods. It's a beautiful thing. Really like them. Otaka, my brother. Thank y'all for watching.